Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to convert the binary number into octal number. So first of all, I will request you all that if you don't know about binary number and octal number system, then please I will request you all to study first that what is exactly binary number, and I have already uploaded my videos on binary numbers and octal numbers on my digital electronics playlist. So if you want, first you can check that and then come back here for that C program. So basically the program is we are going to ask user that you enter your number in binary format, and we are going to convert that number in which format? Octal number. Okay, so here we have two header files, that is the hash include stdio.h and the second one is hash include conio.h. Okay, after that void main function and then open the curly bracket. Now after that we have used some variables in this program, so that I will tell you. First of all, integer b. Okay, so when we are going to ask user that you enter the number in binary format, that time we require one variable, that name is what? B. Okay, after that second is OCT, that is for what? Octal, means while printing our answer. Okay, for that also we require one variable and the name is what? Octal. That also you can say OCT short form. Okay, and for some logical part we require J and remainder, that is the short form REM actually. So we require some 2-3 variables for the logical part. So I've used here J and REM, that is the remainder. After that, in the next line, we are assigning the initial value to two variables, that is octal and j. So OCT equal to 0 and j equal to what? 1. Okay. Now, next thing is enter the binary numbers. Okay. And then scanf and then percent %d and then ampersand what? B. So here we are going to enter one binary number. Okay, so as per our output, let's say for example 11001. So I will enter here, one second, 11001. That is just for example purpose only, that for example if we enter this binary number. Okay, so our assumption is what? 11001. Okay, now here we have used while loop. So here we have condition while b not equal to 0. So what is the value of b? 11001 not equal to 0. Okay, so obviously it is not equal to 0, so condition is true only. Okay, so it will go inside of this while loop. Then we have first statement REM is equal to b modulo by what? 10. So I'm writing here REM is equal to, okay, and then b. Now we know that value of b is what? 11001, and after that modulo by 10, which means you have to divide the given number by what? 10. So at this point, if you will divide your given number by what? 10. So what output you will get? Anyone has any idea? REM means, for example, if I write 11001 and then if I divide that number at least by 10, so we will get remainder as what? 1. Okay. Now next line, OCT is equal to, okay, OCT, that is octal actually, then plus remainder into j. First of all, remainder is 1, then j as per our initial value it is also 1, and octal as per initial value is 0. So what I am writing here is OCT equal to 0, then plus sign, and remainder is 1 and j is also 1, and that is 1 into 1. So we will get 1, which means at this point new value of octal is what? 1. Okay, that is the new value. Okay, now j is equal to j into 2, which means j is equal to 2 now, because it is 1 into 2. Okay, and b is equal to b divide by 10. Okay, that means B is equal to 11001 divided by 10, which means what answer of B you will get? 1100. That is the answer which you will get. You have to forget about the decimal part because it is integer only. So now closing of this bracket. Okay, which means again while loop condition checking. So here again, okay, again I am writing. Now it is 11 and 00 not equal to 0. Again condition is true. Again go inside here. So again remainder. So again I am writing here next line REM is equal to 1100 mod, it is what? 10. Okay. So if I write 1100 divided by 10, so I will get remainder what? 0. So at this point remainder is what? 0. Okay, now this line octal is equal to, okay, so octal is equal to, okay, it is the latest value of octal. As per this statement it is 1, then plus sign. Now remainder is 0. As per the latest value remainder is what? 0 as per this. So 0 into anything we know it is 0 only. So after this also again octal equal to 1. Okay, then j is equal to j into 2. Okay, previous value of j was 2. So now j is equal to, wait, I am writing in the next line, j is equal to 4. Okay, and then b is equal to, okay, b is equal to 1100 divided by 10. We will get b is equal to 110. Okay, so now we have the latest value of b as what? 110. So again closing bracket, again we will come here, while loop, again at this point 110 not equal to 0. So obviously it is not equal to 0. So again condition is true. Again it will go here. Okay. So again let me copy this line and I will just do that editing part. That is here it is 110. So 110. Okay. Divide by 10. So obviously we know we will get remainder as what? 0 only. So that is what I am writing here. After that again this line. Again I will copy the same line. Okay, because octal equal to 1 is the latest value of octal plus 0 into anything is 0 only. So again octal equal to 1 only. At this point, now it becomes j is equal to 8 because 4 into 2. And at this point, it will be like, let me copy this line only. Okay, and then editing, that is 11, it is 110 divided by 10 and answer will be what? 11. Okay, so what is the latest value of b? 11. Again we will come here, again 11 not equal to 0. Okay, so again condition is true. Again we will come here. Okay, so again I will copy this line, actually the same line, but here instead of 110 it will be 11 mod 10. So here we will get remainder 1 not 0. Okay, so remainder 1 means some change in here also, but let me just copy the same line again. Now it is not like this. We will go step by step. Octal is equal to, latest value of octal is what? 1, then plus sign. Remainder, latest value of remainder is also 1, then into, and latest value of j is 8, which means first of all 8 into 1, that is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So after this latest value of octal is what? 9. Okay, now j, 8 into 2, so j equal to 16. Okay, and then B, it was same thing only, but instead of 110 now it is 11. 11 divided by this, we will get B is equal to 1. That is the equation. Now B is equal to 1. Again 1 not equal to 0, we know condition is true. So now again same line I will copy, but now instead of 11 it is 1. So 1 mod 10. So we will get remainder also 1 only. Okay, at this point it will be like octal is equal to, first of all, 9. Latest value of 9, then plus sign, then 1 into sign, and then 16. Okay, so 16 into 1 is 16 only, and 16 plus 9 it is equal to what? 25. So let me just write that octal is equal to 25. Now J becomes 32. Okay, then B. Okay, B will be B is equal to 1 divided by 10, which means B is equal to what? 0. Okay, so latest value of B is what? 0. So again we will come here. Now B is 0. So here at this point condition is false. So now we will check all the latest value first. Remainder is 1. Octal latest value is 25. Uh, J 32 latest value, and B latest value it is what? 0. So printf octal value is, octal latest value is what? 25. Which means when you will execute your program for this 11001, okay, so your answer is what? 25. That is this one. Okay, thank you all.